Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green onions at home. First, choose green onion scraps that have a white base of at least 1 inch. Next, place these white ends into a small glass, ensuring about 1 inch of water covers the roots. Remember to change the water every day to keep it fresh and prevent any mold from forming. You will see new roots and green shoots appear quickly, often within a few days. This simple step is crucial for a successful start. Once your green onion scraps have developed roots that are about 1 inch long, they are ready for soil. Choose a pot with good drainage and fill it with a high-quality potting mix. Plant the rooted bases about 1 inch deep, ensuring the green shoots are above the soil line. If you are planting several, give them 2 to 3 inches of space between each one. Water them immediately after planting to help them settle into their new home. Caring for your green onions is quite simple. Make sure the soil stays consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. They thrive with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, so a sunny windowsill is perfect. When you are ready to harvest, simply snip off the outer stalks with scissors, leaving the inner ones to continue growing. This method allows for continuous harvesting from the same plant. For even more vigorous growth, consider fertilizing your green onions monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer. You can also rotate your plants every few months by starting new ones from fresh scraps, ensuring a continuous supply. This helps maintain strong production and prevents the plants from becoming too leggy. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homegrown green onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.